Students, this is your second video to make you understand how to start second chapter's notes in science. In the first video, we gave you some instructions. There is a slight change that from now onwards, you are going to write everything with pencil. Other rules are nearly the same. Once again, I am repeating those rules for you. You are going to start writing the notes from the fresh page, that is, both the side should be blank. One plain white sheet and other side ruled. This is your first ruled sheet. Here you are going to draw your side margin. Your first name should be on the top, that is on left hand side, and date on the right hand side as it is shown. On the first line, please write chapter number and chapter's name. Chapter number is lesson 3 and chapter's name is adaptation in animals. Before writing any chapter's notes, we first begin with mind mapping. Mind mapping is in the form of diagram about what we have studied in the chapter. So mind mapping has to be done in plain white sheet. We first write lesson number, that is lesson 3. This is our second chapter. Then in the center, we will write heading as mind mapping. You make sure that don't use any color pencil. Children, this is your mind mapping. As you can see, I have written division of animals in the center. You have to follow the same way as it is shown. We can see that animals are classified in two ways. One is habitat, another is feeding habits. According to habitat, animals are divided into 5 kinds. 1. Terrestrial, 2nd is aerial, 3rd arboreal, 4th aquatic, 5th amphibians. Another side you can see it is written feeding habits. So according to feeding habits, animals are divided into 3 categories. 1 is carnivores, 2nd is herbivores, and 3rd is omnivores. Now come to the rule sheet to start your work. First, begin with name on the left side on top and date on the right side. Then write chapter 3 and chapter's name, that is adaptation in animals. Underline these words with pencil. Then we'll start with our define. Write define as heading and underline it. Leave a line and start writing your definitions. Put numbers 1, 2, 3 and then write the word and underline it. Then start writing definitions. Leave a line after every definition. We have total 5 definitions. After completing each and every definition, draw a line in the end to make it neat and clear. This is your second rule sheet. Here we will start with notes of lesson 3. Before starting, remember to write name on the top, left side and date on the right side. Write chapter 3 and chapter's name, that is adaptation in animals. Leave a line here. Write answer these questions as heading and underline it. Leave a line here. Then we will write question 1 and leave one line again. We'll write answers and again leave a line. After completing the answer, we are going to draw a line to make it neat. There are total 5 questions. The rule has to be followed in every question and answer. After the end of the question, we are going to draw a line. This will continue in next page as there are total 5 questions. This is your third page. Here your notes is continued. Remember to draw side margin, name, date on each and every page. Now children, write give reasons as heading and underline it. Now writing give reasons is different from notes. Half part is question and half part is answer. As you can see in the first example, the teeth of herbivores are strong, broad and flat. This is question. And after because is the answer. That is, they allow them to easily bite and chew the grass and leaves. This is answer. So you are going to underline after because. After completing both the give reasons, you are going to draw a line at the end. So children, your work is complete. Remember that you have no diagram in this lesson. Make sure children, you are using ruler for underlining it everywhere. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask in Google Hangout. Thank you.